Also, that was long, hard shopping. Okay, okay. That was oh, okay. That was a long, hard, difficult shopping. Really, it's I don't know how to say it. They they are really salesmen. They know how to sell, and I just spent I just spent almost an hour in the shop. Um, I bought some. I really don't even know. I just bought some touristy things. Really, nothing special. But I just have a feeling he really seriously ripped me off with them. What was it? Incense. With incense, he really ripped me off. And yeah, now we are going back to where we parked. If you remember the mosque which we passed just not so long ago, we are there again, going to the car. And now we are going to, what did he say? Nama Bay. I think he said Nama Bay or something like that. But like I said, the shopping was great. I even got presents. But with this incense, I don't know how I lost my brain, really. It totally ripped me off. And I'm angry at myself right now. But it is what it is. You can't win them all. But that was a serious rip-off. We are just passing a green grocer. Oh, it's interesting, really. Lovely mangoes, watermelon. On this side is vegetables. Brilliant. I like it. But yeah, I can't buy vegetables right now. No, thank you. And you too. They do call you to the shops when you are passing, and you really have to be strong to say no, because you just find yourself buying the things you don't need, because as soon as you enter the shops, they will give you a taste. Let's say, like, they will put cinnamon in your hands, or whatever they're trying to sell you. So it's just difficult to say no. You have to be strong to say no. Again, there in front, you see just, you just see lovely vegetables. We have to cross the street, and I just hope the guy don't take me to another store. Really, I'm not strong enough to say no. I keep losing my hat. I didn't tie it well. I'll have to tie it again soon. But right now, I don't know where we are going. I think we are going to where we parked. Once again, these are the streets of Sharm el Sheikh. And yeah, because it's Ramadan, most of things are closed. Oh my God. Most of things are closed, and the streets are empty. But it's okay. I like it. Don't. What is this wall?
It's water desert.
Uh-huh.
They went Pharaoh.
God, that's just crazy.
Sovereign cafe.
Oh.
Cafe.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Ziza, can you please? Thank you. Also, guys, I'll just
Go.
I can go
Okay,
ahead.
go.
call it, really. This is, it's like big stones which they carved. It's crazy. I don't even know if I have the energy to go up. Take care, please.
It is diving. Diving.
Oh.
Snorkeling.
It's crazy. It's
Snorkeling.
it's just so high. I'm not going to go to the highest point, but if you check,
Yeah, it is camera.
that's a video.
Video, yeah.
If you check up there,
Uh-huh.
you will see all
Yes.
Egypt.
All the Egypt, yeah.
Oh, that was a climb.
Yeah.
That was a climb. If you check,
Hello.
if
Hello.
you check the other
ايه
side,
دخل؟
you will see
أخذت الزبون؟
it's just desert. I'm not sure if you can see it, but as soon as you finish the buildings, the desert starts. Oh, it's crazy. Really, this is something I think you have to experience it by yourself, because it's not enough when somebody tries to explain. Really, it's
اديني كده الزبون
it's
اديني كده الزبون.
it's farouked. And let me see if I can turn the camera and make it the other way.
Hello, yes.
I don't know if
go now, Palma Beach, yeah?
you can see the background, and yeah.
3 o'clock. 3 o'clock coming back. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock.
I will walk slowly back. I'm not sure. Let me look for my sunglasses. It's crazy. I was just in one shop, so I put my sunglasses out,
Coming back.
and I really need my sunglasses. I really need my sunglasses now because it's so hot, and the sun is just straight into your face. And I was in a shop, so, and the shops are somehow dark, so I didn't have my sunglasses, but now I'm ready again. Let's see. We are just walking back from the carvings, which I did tell you. The guys, check this out. It's just it's not something you can describe. It's like you have to be here to understand it, really. As I said, it's old Egypt. That's what they called it in Sharm el Sheikh, and on the opposite side is the old market. Yeah. Anyway, I'm feeling hungry now, and what I don't know, because I'm not in the hotel, so I'm not even sure if women are welcome in restaurants here. Really, I'm not so very sure. But my guide, who is the taxi driver that I took from the hotel, is on the phone. He's coming, but I'll have to ask him when he's here. But he'll be here soon. Let me turn the video to there. So guys, that's the old Egypt. I don't know why they call it old Egypt, really, but it's There are just some seriously big rocks which have been carved. I don't even know how. I don't know how they did this really, because it's. I don't even. Yeah, it seems it was one large rock which they just carved to form a. I don't even know what you call it. My guide said it's a waterfall, but I don't see any water coming here. I just see green water, which shows green water on the ground, which shows the water has been here for a while. Apart from that, there's no waterfall here, but still, it's something to worth looking at, really. And that's just the stairs again, going to the upper part of it, but I don't think I'm strong enough to go up there, because me and stairs don't get along. Okay, I have to say the stairs are really well done. They are flat, but still, it's.
Okay, come on. Just give me camera, telephone me. Yeah, sorry.